Do you suffer from bruxism, also known as teeth grinding, have a square-shaped lower face, or headaches in the mornings? If so, you could be a good candidate for treatment with botulinum toxin into the masseter. The masseter is one of the muscles of mastication, and due to teeth grinding can increase in size, causing headaches, as well as a square-shaped lower face. You'll see me marking out the anterior and posterior borders of the muscle, which is important in order to avoid the risorius muscle being affected. This could result in an asymmetrical smile. This injection is done both superficially and deep and is quite pain-free. Treatment results in a gradual reduction in the size of the muscle, which results in the slimming of the lower face and a reduction in teeth grinding and headaches. Results will be seen in about 6 weeks' time. Please stay tuned for the after results.